This Rhea egg will go through a multi-waxing and dyeing process to get to the final egg. That is the natural color of the egg that I waxed over the first time, just to kind of make my divisions on it. And this design always starts with the cross. So I had waxed wherever I wanted it to stay the original color, dropped it into yellow, dried it off, waxed it again. Here I'm going to be dropping it in. So I waxed anywhere where I wanted it to stay yellow. I drop it into the orange. The orange did take a little bit longer for me to get it to the color that I wanted, but here it is going through the orange dye bath. It does take a little while. It actually probably took me about 10 minutes to get it to this point where I wanted it to be this color. So now I will take it out, let it dry off for probably at least 10-15 minutes, just so it's good and dry. So when I start waxing it again, the wax will stick to it. If it's never wax one that is wet. But I wax whatever I wanted to stay orange, dyeing it red now. And the red went pretty super fast. So it really only took me about 5 minutes. Here I'm just showing myself waxing whatever I want to stay red on here. I will wax all around the egg, anything that I want to stay red, because now we're getting to the final. You always go lighter to darker. You can dye back or bleach it back and go lighter colors and stuff, but I like to stick to this sequence. And here, dumping the black over is always one of my very favorite parts, because you really get to see what it's going to look like. Now, the black did take a couple minutes. It wasn't as perfect as I wanted it to be with the black. It wouldn't take in a few spots I mean, that's just sometimes how it goes. And I really don't have a good fix for that. But here it's ending up really nice looking. So I'll take it out, dry it off, and this is just to show, the difference in sizes between a chicken egg and this Rhea egg. There's quite a difference there. But this is my heat gun that I use to go ahead and take the wax off. I have this really sped up, so you can see the process a little bit faster. Oh, there it falls. It was fine, but it is hot, so when I wipe it off, it's a little bit of a chore to get this all off of there. Now I put this in my little, it's just really a box with thumbtacks up through it so that it can kind of hold the egg up for me while I spray it. And you can see I was putting on a satin finish on this. I like either a matte finish or this satin finish really turns out nice. And this is the final egg. I hope you like it.